Ito po, ang palayang may itlog, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang, paminta, yun lang po, at asin. Depende po sa inyong asin kung ganun gustong kaalat. Anyway, hello po sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na kayo. Hindi ko sana ito i-vlog, kaya lang kailangan ko ilagay sa channel ko para meron akong panglagay. Hindi ko na nakasikaso kasi ang aking YouTube eh. Busy lang lagi po. Busy sa kung ano-ano. Yan, tapos yan. Itong itlog, 4 na itlog ito. Kung wala nang gusto ng itlog na gusto, depende po sa inyong preference. So, lagay na po natin. Yan. Haluin muna natin para maganda. So, ito po ay ginamit ko dito na mantika ay olive oil. Kung gusto nyo po ng healthy living, healthy to eat, gamitin yung mantika or oil is olive oil, pure olive oil. Nakakasigurado kayong healthy and you live longer. Kung alam ko lang na pwede pala yung olive oil na gamitin pamperito sa lahat, or you can use olive oil, pure olive oil, that you can try anything. I should do that from the beginning. Even it's kinda, well, a little bit expensive compared to the ordinary oil, but it's worth it. It's healthy po. So, yan po. Hintayin nyo lang pong maluto. Just wait to eggs been cooked and it's ready to go. It's ready to eat. Hello, Boyet nga pala. Boyet, shout out to Boyet Papasin, my cousin, my richest cousin in the world. I mean, in the family probably. Not in the world, sorry about that. Nice meet up with you here in Toronto at Yorkdale, okay? I hope na lagi kang healthy, so you keep doing what you're doing at best, and you'll be richest in our family. So good luck to everything you do. Shout out ulit kay sa asawa niya, si Tess. Hello Tess, pasensya na kayo. That's all I can offer you, a ride to airport. I'm happy to seeing you anyway. It's been a long time. So that's it. It's kinda cooked this way. Let me taste it if it's good. Tastes good. Hindi po siya mapait. I don't know why it's not. Supposed to be this one is mapait or bitter. Kaya lang, so far, I don't know why it's not. Maybe I'm in the mood cooking it. That's what they say. Anyway, I think this is ready. And this is simple ampalaya with itlog, and it's healthy to eat, good for diabetic people to eat. And so long, I have to cut my video here, and ingat po kayong lahat, and God bless you all, and bye bye po.